Hey guys, welcome back, and today we've got a brand new truck, courtesy of Banggood. Thank you very much, Banggood. And yeah, when this popped up I was very excited. Took a quick look at the description, what it was about. I seen a 370 motor, proportional steering and throttle. So my first thoughts were hobby grade HB rock thorough, or even the hobby grade, it looks kind of like a WLtoys. I'll put a picture there now what I'm on about. Or even an axial rift. So yeah, quick look at the box there, guys. As you can see, it's a 1/16 scale, ready to run. 7.4 volt battery. It says 1500 milliamp hour on the box, but inside you get a 600 milliamp hour 4x4 drive shaft driven, functional shocks and servo steering. Yeah, so yeah, just a quick look at the box, guys. Let's take a look at what we get inside the box. Okay, so inside the box you get a charger, 600 milliamp hour battery there, guys, 7.4 volt. You get your included instruction manual as well there, guys. And I was quite curious, it says camera there on the front, but actually when taking the truck apart, looking inside, there's not actually a port for the camera, so, and there's no actually reference to it as well in the manual. But yeah, just a manual showing you how to bind it up and whatnot, and use the trim of the remote and how to charge. Nice little picture there of the ESC. We've also got the spare parts there as well, guys. So the parts list. So yeah, I'm hoping eventually these will all be available to buy in some shape or form. Yes. I've been making jokes all week. This looks like a telephone, so I've been picking it up, going hello, and the girlfriend's turning around thinking, who's he talking to? And yeah, it's this remote I'm speaking to. But yeah, does the job, fits nice in one hand. You got a high and low function there. I'll tell you a bit more about that when we look at the truck. Yeah, we got a throttle trim, a steering trim there as well, guys. On and off button as well, but yeah, pretty basic. Takes 4 AA's. And here it is, guys. So as I said, I thought it looked like a hobby grade rock thorough. It has got that sort of rock bouncing vibe about it. We've got a budget hobby grade setup here, guys. So we've got fully proportional 5-way steering, fully proportional throttle from I think it's like a 370 or a 390 motor. I don't know if you can see that up in there. And I'm really impressed. I really like the HB Rock Thorough. For what it was extremely capable. The chassis itself, it was non-proportional steering, non-proportional throttle, but it was actually doing things. So when I seen this, I got quite excited. One other little thing, which is a bonus, if you take a look at the product description, it says upgrade parts, and it shows metal shocks and metal drive shafts, and they were included in a little box inside the box, and I was very surprised by that. So yeah, I've got the stock parts here. See, guys, the stock shocks, plastic drive shafts. So for them to include the upgrade shocks and metal drive shafts is really cool in my opinion. And you get a lot more flex out of these shocks. Metal drive shafts cannot go wrong. Bit more durability there as well. What category is this truck? That was the question I was asking myself. Is it going to be a fast rock racer? Is it going to be slow and talky? And my honest opinion, it's in between. It's kind of geared like an MN99. So we've got the high and low setting here, and when you put it to low, obviously the overall speed decreases, but as well as that, you get a drag brake, so it's really good on the descents and whatnot. And then put it in high, you get full power and you don't get a drag brake, but as you see from the clips that I put in, it's pretty nippy, about 10 mile an hour, and it's got plenty of torque as well in this. You can actually get crawling the rocks. Some really cool features that I really like. It's got some bead lock wheels. Let me quickly take one off the back here to show you, using the included screwdriver that came with the truck. Oh, and some spare pins. So what we got is a 3-part bead lock wheel, a rear rim, a center rim, and then almost like a cylinder in the center of the tire. And yeah, these screw either side, and yeah, this is a true beadlock tire and wheel, which I'm really impressed with. And the tires are pretty hard. If you own a WPL, these are kind of like ready to run hard tires. But yeah, well, that said, beadlock and yeah, some softer tires would really improve this truck. Take a look underneath. We've got a center-mounted gearbox, 380 or 370 motor, like I said. Then it's split into the rear and front axle. Locked differentials, guys. So yep, that's running on hex, I think a 7 or 8 mil hex. And in the front then we've just got a metal dog bone and cup. Looking closely then we've got brass bushings as well in there, guys. So for what it is, it's pretty good quality, and yeah, it feels really robust. Overall, guys, I was pretty excited to see it. I'm looking forward to upgrading it, possibly getting some oil shocks, adding maybe a Res 3 in there, or a nice ESC to get just that nice really slow modulation. This, like I said, this feels like an MN99. It's quite twitchy when it comes to crawling. But with that said, this is a really nice platform to work from. And yeah, just a quick one from me today, guys. Just showing you this this new little critter from KYAMRC. KYAMRC. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.